Imagine discovering every new Prefect feature in one place.
How am I supposed to live without DBT orchestration?
From the team behind your favorite Orchestrator.
Running you so long.
In a once-in-a-quarter release, Prefect presents the Launch Collection.
Managed automation.
11 beautiful features written by all your favorite engineers.
Assets Explorer, take my hand, walk me through.
Get the collection today in Prefect Cloud or in Prefect Open Source.
Rate limit controls, you hold me through it.
That's right, 11 new features in one launch week.
The way I shared with you, cross-team assets.
But wait, for a limited time, you can receive a free hat. That's right, you get 11 features and a free hat.
CLI Startup Performance.
Upgrade now or read the docs. Prefect Launch Week, 11 new features. Try them all now.
Everything finally feels right.
Call 402-381-3766 to download the new features today. Operators are standing by. Have your terminal ready. Not available on your old Orchestrator. Allow up to 90 seconds for pip install. Bandwidth and compute sold separately. Offer not valid on Airflow. All upgrades final. Results may vary. Call now.